Hello, I'm Cassandra Lee and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I attempted to curl my locks with socks. Shout out to me for rhyming off the dome right now. But anyway, so yeah, stay tuned if you guys are interested in seeing the end results. All that you'll need are socks. I sectioned out my bangs with clips and a bobby pin just because when I roll them in a sock, I want them all to be together. So that's what I'm doing here. Stay tuned, guys. As always, we'll listen to some cute music and we'll learn together. So when it comes to actually curling your hair with the sock, what I did, the method that I used is the curling method that you would do if you were to actually curl your hair with rollers, like the old-fashioned rollers, and it's like on a foamy thing and you just roll it inward. You roll it towards you and as you roll up. So that's the way that I'm going to be rolling my hair with the sock, starting from the ends as far as I want to go. For this particular style, I didn't go all the way up because I just wasn't sure on how it was going to look for the curls. So I only went halfway with this style. But yeah. let me know in the comments below how you guys liked the video. Also share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.